Well, it's time to wipe away that silly smile. I'm Eric, and you are watching Reset Restoration. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This first episode is kind of, cut nerdy. The main subject on this channel will be furniture, restore, repair, making some new. It's about exploring different methods and techniques. It's about light, it's about art, interior, and also sometimes it's about tools. It's not about reviews, it's about specified details that I find interesting, useful, or maybe also important. The reason that I bought this bandsaw is because I need a tool that could provide fine cuts. Like trimming this tenon. And of course, when I'm talking about accuracy, I'm talking about level cross-cutting. And to put this machine to a test, I have chosen a short, round piece of wood. And the goal is that this surface should be flat and level and in 90 degrees in relation with this side. The accuracy and the bandsaw is quite interesting and can be quite important too. Is it a limitation with according to the bandsaw? Well, if you see how the bandsaw is built up, there's no support between here and under there. And when I measure the blade, it's approximately 0.3 millimeter thick. That is next to nothing. So the blade can easily start to wobble or maybe twist if it's not tightened enough. And of course, this short piece needs some kind of support. And that is the reason for this track. The track is for the miter fence. Strange enough, Axminster mean that is an optional tool, so I didn't find it in the package. I find that strange because Axminster is quite expensive tools, and I don't think a miter fence is especially exclusive. I think it should be standard and should be to find in the package. I had one from another saw, and with a piece of tape it got quite tight. I measured the angle, but it was still not enough support in the miter fence. On the additional fence, and we are good to go. So, what is the conclusion? Well, on the left side you see the cut from the factory. On the right side you see my cut on the Axminster bandsaw. And it's nearly perfect. No wood was chipped off. It's a nice, clean cut. But there is one problem. Look at this. Not 100% in level. So I start to check the bandsaw again. Bit loose. Oh good. I check the blade. And tighten it up. Some adjustments is needed. So, how accurate is a bandsaw when you're trying to perform a level crosscut? It's actually quite accurate, but be thorough. Ensure that everything is in line and level, that the blade is tight enough. Check also the blade guides and thrust bearings, so this is in the right position. And don't force the wood into the blade, let the blade do all the job. And when the blade is totally inside the wood, the left and the right side of the wood will help the blade to maintain on a straight course. Well, the next episode will be about my window frame, and I can assure you it have been a lot of frustrating moments. Nothing have gone according to the plan. But I learned a lot, and I will invite you on this crazy journey. Well, that is next time. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I will see you soon.